house. I was cleaning the living room when I discovered the picture had been stolen.
And can you tell me what time it was?
It was 8 o'clock, sir.
How strange. Tell me, Lucy, what day is it today?
It's Sunday, sir.
And when is your day off, Lucy?
It's on Sunday, sir.
What are you doing working on a Sunday then? Isn't it a little bit strange?
I stay at home. The weather was awful and
you took the picture away, didn't you?
No, I swear to God, I wasn't.
Okay, relax. Thank you, Lucy. Well, tell me, Sarah, who are you?
I'm Sebastian, and I'm the butler, sir.
And what were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning, Sebastian?
I was sleeping, Inspector.
What time do you usually get up for work, Sebastian?
At 7 o'clock, more or less, Inspector.
Aha! You are lying then! You stole the picture!
No, Inspector. On Sundays, I always stay in bed.
Okay. Thank you. Well, what about you? Who are you?
My name is Jennifer. I am the cook, sir.
What were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning, Jennifer?
I was in the kitchen making breakfast, sir.
And did you hear or see anything strange this morning, Jennifer?
Nothing, Inspector. I made breakfast for everybody, except for Miss Mary, who was already having breakfast in the kitchen.
Okay, thank you, Jennifer. Well, Miss Archer, why were you having breakfast so early?
I've been studying for my exams all night. So I was hungry and I went to the kitchen to have some breakfast.
Because you were the only person who was awake all the night. Tell me, did you hear or see anything strange tonight?
No, I didn't. I'm sorry. I'm very busy.
Okay, now I know where the burglar can be.
Oh, Inspector, where?
Is it here, in this living room? And it is one of you.
How do you know, Inspector?
Very easy. All the doors are locked from inside. And when I came, they were all locked. So I guess that the picture is still here, in this house.
Oh, Inspector, you are a genius.
But
Where is the picture?
I don't know, but maybe Sebastian can tell us where the picture is. In these cases, it's always the battle who is guilty.
But
Happens in all the novels.
I'm innocent. I didn't take the picture. I swear to God.
Yes, everybody says the same. Confess, Sebastian. You stole the picture.
No, Inspector, I'm innocent.
You
I'm
stole the
innocent.
picture.
I swear to God. I know.
Don't worry. This kind of things happens.
Yes, Inspector, but what shall we do now?
Relax, Mr. Archer, because Lucy is going to tell us where the picture is.
Me?
Yes, you, Lucy. You are nervous because you stole the picture.
Me?
Didn't you? Confess! Come on, confess!
how can you steal my picture? Oh, can I be serious? Oh,
going to be so hard.
Oh, Mary.
No.
Oh, Mary, don't worry. I settle things that everybody thinks that the butler is the murderer. Nobody will guess anything. We'll sell the picture and we'll have enough money to start a new life together, Mary.
Don't go so far, don't move. I'm afraid you're going to stay here with the rest of the people. There is not enough money for the two of us. Would you like to say a prayer before you die?
But Mary! Mary! Why are you doing this to me? I'm in love with you! Mary!
Goodbye, Inspector. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, Mary! What a pity. Are you looking for this? Do you think I'm so stupid, Mary? Now, you have missed your opportunity. Yes.
You are calling Lord and Lady Archer House. In this moment we are not at home. Please, leave your message after the tone and we will call you back as soon as possible. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Inspector Higgins from the police. I was wondering if it could be okay if I pop it in sometime this afternoon, let's say between 1 and 2. Well, see you later then.
But who are you?
And don't trust anybody. Good evening.